Today we're going to take a look at stopping spam bots from overwhelming a WordPress website that has the BuddyPress plugin installed. BuddyPress plugin is a plugin that allows site visitors to sign up so they can comment on web pages, or so they can create groups and interact with other visitors on your website or interact with you. But what can happen is spam bots will find your site and then they'll just keep making accounts. So today we're going to take a look at how to stop that. So if you have the BuddyPress plugin already installed, then you can install this BuddyPress Xprofile custom field types. So you can add new plugin and you can just type BuddyPress Xprofile. And then it should show here, BuddyPress Xprofile custom field types. After we install that and we activate it, so make sure it's activated. We're going to hover over users and then we're going to go to profile fields. All right, so now we have a couple of tabs up here: base primary, register primary, base primary, and sign up fields. So one we're going to use is name a GPU brand. So we can just add a new field. And let's say we wanted to make one about for a fan site. Getting a lot of spam bots. We have a fan site for Lord of the Rings. So let's say we say name a wizard from Lord of the Rings. Okay. Then we come down here and we're going to make it a token, and allowed answers would be like Gandalf. I don't know who that was, but ignore cases so that if they capitalize it or not, it'll still register. If you had a tech website, you could say name a CPU brand. Description, we're going to call it a challenge question so that they know what it is, what this is about. You could even make it name your favorite CPU brand. And then you could come down here and do Intel, AMD, ARM, Qualcomm, Samsung. So let's say those are our answers. And there's no space in between them, just a comma. And then we can come over here and we can say it's a requirement, it's required. Use this field in the site registration form. Visibility. Now this means visibility after they sign up. So you can allow members to override, so if they want to hide their answer, but their answer will show as part of their profile. You could also just say only you can see it, only the administrator. You could say all members could see it, but not visitors. Or you could say my friends can see it. That person's friends will be able to see their answer on their profile. It doesn't really matter because it could give people a talking point. Just if you want to, you can allow members to override it so they can hide it later when they sign up or whatever. Auto linking on user profiles. Link this field to a search of the members directory using the field value as a search term. Well, let's try it. So we're going to save this, name a CPU brand. Save. Okay. Make sure that this is showing in the register primary and sign up fields, and it is. GPU brand, CPU brand. So we have two of them there right now. And now when we go to sign up on this website, it should present us with that challenge question. And there it is. So let's try to make an account. Let's say username, your name, email address, password, name a GPU brand, AMD, name a CPU brand, AMD. All right, so let's say we have a whole AMD rig here. So we're going to leave that one out. Just leave that one in. See, it says, please sign out this field. So let's put UT. Please provide a valid token. So it's wrong. So we'll say AMD again. Let's put a wrong one here, UT. See? So they're going to have to get this right. So we're going to put AMD, and let's say we have a ARM processor. Okay, so AMD and ARM. Let's complete the sign up. And there we go. Now our account is active. From our experience, this has been 100% effective at stopping all spam bots from signing up for accounts on this website so far. They'll still come here because we deleted all their other group pages and we deleted all their other accounts. They still come to the website and try to log in with those since deleted accounts, but they can't log in. But we see it in the failed login attempts on the administration pages. They can't log in anymore, and all their group pages are gone. So this so far has kept the website pretty clean. No more spam bots. And here's the account. And here it says their registration, AMD, ARM. And here's their name a GPU, name your favorite CPU brand. And because we made it, what did we make it? We made it, what was it that we did? We auto-linked it. So because we auto-linked it, it gives it this little link here on this favorite CPU brand. So when we click that, it will do a search to see everyone who has that favorite CPU brand. So could be a good way to let people connect. But if they want to hide it, they can. They can go to edit and they can change this field visibility. Right here. So they can change that and go, only me, my friends, close, my friends. Well, let's say everyone on this one, close, save changes. So that has been 100% effective so far. So hopefully this helps prevent spam bots from overwhelming your website as well. As they make more and more accounts, they'll create spam comments to try to redirect traffic to other servers for phishing attacks or run scams. They may also create public groups. So what they can do on BuddyPress is they can create group pages, and then they can use those groups to create a topic and then interact on that topic in smaller groups. Well, what they'll do is they'll create group pages, and then I'm not sure what they do with them at that point, but one website where they created like 20,000 group pages, and they would embed links into those group pages like Cialis and Viagra. I'm guessing try to redirect their victims to offshore servers, and then would maybe use the public group pages from your server to embed into emails or to send links in emails so that the victim will click the link, come to your server, see the group page, which makes it look legitimate or something. It's on this small blog or whatever. And then they click that link and then go to wherever it sends them to do whatever nefarious scheming they're trying to do. But they also created like about 12,000 fake user accounts. And that can just clog up your database, make it so that when you're sending out emails, you're sending out 12,000 emails to nobody. So you could have 12,000 accounts on your website, and 11,995 of them are spam bots. So you only have 5 actual registered site visitors. It can be hard to gauge your website. It can be hard to understand what's going on with the interaction on your website because your database is clogged up with 12,000 fake spam bot accounts. They'll get pretty aggressive too. On one website, they were creating fake accounts like 5 a day. Over about 3 to 6 months, they created 12,000 fake user accounts and about 15 to 20,000 fake public group pages with embedded links. They also did some commenting on some pages, and they would put in some like Viagra, Cialis links, things like that. But mostly they were intent on creating the public group pages and then embedding the links onto there.